Hello students, welcome to my channel Spark in Mind. +2 syllabus பற்றி உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்சிருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். CBSE patterns சேஞ்ச் ஆகிருக்கிறது. எக்ஸாம் பேட்டர்ன் competency focused question solutions 50% and then balance long answer type 50%. இந்த வீடியோவில் புதிய பாடத்திட்டத்தில் தெரிவிக்கப்பட்டபடி திறன் அடிப்படையில் தெரிவு வினாவிடை அளித்துள்ளேன். ஒவ்வொரு பிரிவிலும் 100 கேள்விகளுக்கு பதிலளிக்க உள்ளேன். இந்த வீடியோவில் 20 கேள்விகளுக்கான பதில்களை நாம் பார்க்கலாம். சமச்சீர் கல்வி +2 படிக்கும் மாணவர்களே, CBSE +2 படிக்கும் மாணவர்களுக்கும் இது பொருத்தமாக இருக்கும். Please share these videos your friends and subscribe my channel. Thanks. இப்போ வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். ஃபஸ்ட்டு நம்ம CBSE சாப்டர் 3 மேட்ரிக்ஸ் போர்ஷனில் இருந்தோம். அதே சமயத்தில் தமிழ்நாடு சிலபஸ் சமச்சீர் கல்வியில் சாப்டர் 1இல் கூறப்பட்ட மேட்ரிக்ஸ் தொடர்பான கேள்விகளுக்கு பதில்களை காணலாம். Symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. What is a symmetric matrix? A square matrix Aij is said to be symmetric if A transpose is equal to A. That is, Aij is equal to Aij for all positive values of I and j. சரி, A transpose என்ன? A transpose means rows and columns are changed. In a square matrix, if rows and columns are changed, then it is known as a transpose matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. A square matrix Aij is said to be skew symmetric matrix if A transpose is equal to minus A or Aij is equal to minus Ji. Note 1. All the diagonal elements of a skew symmetric matrix are 0. So here see the example. This is 0 EF minus E 0 G minus F minus G 0. This is the 3 into 3 matrix. இதில் prime diagonals matrix எல்லா எலிமெண்ட்ஸும் 0வாக இருக்கு பாருங்க. இந்த மாதிரி prime diagonals எலிமெண்ட்ஸ்லாம் 0வாக இருந்தால் it is a skew symmetric matrix. That is, B matrix is equal to minus B transpose. Note 2. For any square matrix A with real number entries A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix and A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. A plus A dash அப்படின்னாலும் A plus A transpose-நாலும் ரெண்டும் சேம் தான். Note 3. Any square matrix can be expressed as the sum of a symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. ஒரு மேட்ரிக்ஸ் வந்து ஒரு ஸ்கியூ சிமெட்ரிக் மேட்ரிக்ஸாகவும் சிமெட்ரிக் மேட்ரிக்ஸாகவும் நம்மளால் எக்ஸ்ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணி எழுத முடியும். ஸோ இப்போ ஏ இஸ் a ஸ்கொயர் மேட்ரிக்ஸ்னால் இதை வந்து 1/2 A plus A transpose plus 1/2 A minus A transpose என ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணி எழுதலாம். Here A plus A transpose is symmetric matrix. Like that, A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. இப்போ நம்ம கொஸ்டினுக்கு போகலாம். First question. If A and B are symmetric matrices of the same order, then AB is a symmetric matrix. A minus B is a skew symmetric matrix. AB plus BA is a symmetric matrix. D. AB minus BA is a symmetric matrix. இதோட ஆன்சர் வந்து சி. சினா ஏபி ப்ளஸ் பிஏ இஸ் a symmetric matrix. See the explanation. என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க? A and B are symmetric matricesன்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. Of the same order. Both are in same order. So, symmetric matrixனா A is equal to A transpose இருக்கணும். B is equal to B transpose. இதுதான் symmetric matrixோட condition. Then, if productல AB is equal to BA transpose of matrices. So, let AB plus BA transpose. Let AB plus BA transpose. Now, it is AB transpose plus BA transpose, and then that is equal to B transpose A transpose plus A transpose B transpose. So, இப்போ A is equal to A transpose, B is equal to B transpose அப்படிங்கிற ஆன்சரை இதில் நம்ம சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணால் B transpose A transpose becomes BA, A transpose B transpose become AB. So, this is நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம்? BA plus AB can be written as AP plus BA. If we get AB plus BA transpose is equal to AB plus BA. That is AB plus BA is a symmetric matrix. Question number 2. If A is equal to 3, x minus 1, 2x plus 3, x plus 2 is a symmetric matrix, then x is equal to what? A x is equal to 4, B 3, C x is equal to minus 4, D minus 3. The solution, answer C, that is minus 4. என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க? A is a symmetric matrix. We know that A is a symmetric matrix na A is equal to A transpose ஆகும். Therefore, elements are interchange ஆகும். Aij is equal to Aji. So, 3x minus 1, 2x plus 3, x plus 2 becomes 3, 2x plus 3, x minus 1, x plus 2. இது ரெண்டும் equal matrix. Equal matrix na here first element is same, second element same. We know that. So, we have substitute A, this is equal to A12. So, A12 compare panna, here x minus 1, here 2x plus 3. So, we get x is equal to minus 4. Like that A21 எடுத்தா கூட 2x plus 3 is equal to x minus 1. Therefore, x is equal to minus 4. So, x oda value minus 4. Answer C. Question number 3. If A is a square matrix, then which of the following is skew symmetric matrix? A plus A transpose, B வந்து A minus A transpose, C வந்து A minus A transpose, D A transpose A. Solution. Answer B. B means A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. Explanation பார்க்கலாம். Given A is a square matrix. A is a square matrix. Now, A transpose is equal to minus A is a skew symmetric matrix. So, condition A is equal to minus A transpose. So, we get. So, choose let A minus A transpose of T. So, it becomes A transpose minus A transpose T. A transpose of transpose becomes A item. So, AT minus A. So, if we take minus common, it becomes A minus A transpose. So, here we get A minus A transpose T is equal to minus of A minus AT. Therefore, A minus A transpose is equal to skew symmetric matrix. That is, if we consider A minus A transpose is some matrix P, then minus of A minus A transpose equal to minus P of T. That is, hence A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. Answer B. Question number 4. If A is a square matrix, then A minus A dash is a diagonal matrix, skew symmetric matrix, none of these. So, given A is a square matrix, then A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. This is a skew symmetric matrix. So, answer B. So, explanation. We know that skew symmetric matrix now A is equal to minus A transpose. We have let A minus A transpose equal to T. Therefore, P of transpose of P is equal to A minus A square power transpose. So, it becomes A transpose minus A transpose of T. So, A transpose minus A. If we take minus common, minus of A minus A transpose, that is minus P. Hence, we proved P is equal to minus P of T. That is, A minus A transpose is equal to minus of A minus A transpose. Hence, A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. Fifth one. For any square matrix A into A transpose is a unit matrix, symmetric matrix, skew symmetric matrix, diagonal matrix. Solution. Answer B. That is, A transpose is a symmetric matrix. How? Given in A is a square matrix. Let order of A be m by n. Square matrix now order and rows are orders equal. Rows and columns are equal. Then order of A transpose equal to m into n. Since A is equal to A transpose, AAT is a symmetric matrix. Question number 6. If a matrix A is both symmetric and skew symmetric, then A is a diagonal matrix, A is a zero matrix, A is a scalar matrix, A is a square matrix. கொடுத்தது என்ன ஏங்கிற மேட்ரிக்ஸ் சிமெட்ரிக் ஆஸ் வெல் அஸ் ஸ்கியூ சிமெட்ரிக்னு கொடுத்துட்டோம். ஸோ இதோட சொல்யூஷன் ஏ இஸ் எ ஜீரோ மேட்ரிக்ஸ். ஆன்சர் பி. எக்ஸ்பிளனேஷன் பார்க்கலாம். given என்ன A is both symmetric and skew symmetric. A is symmetric now A is equal to A transpose. A is skew symmetric now A is equal to minus A transpose. So if you add both sides, A plus A is equal to A transpose minus A transpose is equal to 0. That is 2A is equal to 0. A is equal to 0. Therefore A is a zero matrix. Question number 7. If A and B are symmetric matrices of same order, then AB minus BA. A skew symmetric, B symmetric, C zero matrix, D identity matrix. Solution. Answer A. That is, AB minus BA is a skew symmetric matrix. என்ன சொல்லியிருக்காங்க? A and B are symmetric matrices of same orderனு சொல்லிட்டாங்க. A and B are symmetric matrices same orderனால AB and BA exists. நம்ம A வந்து சிமெட்ரிக்னா A is equal to A transpose, B சிமெட்ரிக்னா B is equal to B transpose. இப்போ let AB minus BA transpose equal to AB transpose minus BA transpose. இப்போ AB transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose property, A transpose B transpose. So substitute the value of A is equal to AT and B is equal to BT, we get BA minus AB. If we take minus common, it becomes minus of AB minus BA. AB minus BA transpose is equal to minus of AB minus BA. So AB minus BA is a skew symmetric matrix. Question number 8. If A is equal to Aij is a skew symmetric matrix of order n, then Aij is equal to 1 by Aj for all I comma j. Aij is not equal to 0 for all j comma I comma j. Aij is equal to 0 for I is equal to j. Aij is not equal to 0 for I is equal to j. Solution. If A is equal to Aij is a skew symmetric matrix of order n, then Aij is equal to 1 by Aij for all I is equal to j. That is answer A. Explanation பார்க்கலாம். Given Aij is a skew symmetric matrix. In a skew symmetric matrix, the I and jth element is negative of ijth element. Hence, ij element is equal to 0. If Aij is a skew symmetric matrix of order n, then Aij is equal to 1 by Aij for all I is equal to j. Question number 9. If A and B are symmetric matrices, then prove that AB plus BA is a skew symmetric matrices. இங்கே கொஞ்சம் கவனமாக பார்க்கணும். A and B வந்து symmetric matricesங்கிறான். இப்போ AB plus BA வந்து skew symmetric matrixனு நம்ம ப்ரூவ் பண்ணணும். Given என்ன A and B are symmetric matrices. So we know that A is equal to A transpose and B is equal to B transpose. That is product பண்ணா AB is equal to BA transpose of matrices. So take AB minus BA. AB plus BA transpose is equal to AB transpose plus BA transpose. Consider AB plus BA. Taking transpose of AB plus BA transpose is equal to, we know that AB transpose plus BA transpose. Then it becomes B transpose A transpose and A transpose B transpose. Substitute the value of AT is equal to minus A and BT is equal to minus B. We get AB plus BT transpose is equal to minus A minus of minus plus B ஆகும் plus BA plus AB ஆகும். Therefore we take minus a common எடுத்துட்டா AB plus BA. Therefore, AB plus BA is a skew symmetric matrix. Hence we prove. Number 10. If A and B are skew symmetric matrices of same order, prove that A plus B is A is a symmetric matrix. Question number 9 மாதிரி தான். அதில் symmetric matrices கொடுத்துட்டு A and B are symmetric matrices. We have to prove AB plus BA is a skew symmetric matrixங்கிறாங்க. இதில் A and B are skew symmetric matricesனா AB plus BA is a symmetric matrix. Given A and B are skew symmetric matrices of same order, we know that AT is equal to minus A, BT is equal to minus B. Let us take AB plus BA transpose. So it becomes AB transpose plus BA transpose, then B transpose A transpose plus A transpose B transpose. If we substitute the value of B transpose and A transpose, minus B minus A minus B, now it becomes BA plus AB. Therefore, AB plus BA. Then AB plus BA transpose is equal to AB plus BA. Addition of matrices is commutative. AB plus BA is a symmetric matrix. A and B are skew symmetric matrix. AB plus BA is a symmetric matrix. அதே மாதிரி A and B are symmetric matrices. AB plus BA is a skew symmetric matrix. Number 11. If A and B are symmetric matrices of same order, then AB transpose minus 2BA transpose is a skew symmetric matrix, neither symmetric nor skew symmetric matrix, is null matrix. Answer C. AB transpose minus 2BA transpose is neither symmetric nor skew symmetric. Explanation. Take AB transpose minus 2BA transpose is equal to some C matrix. Then taking C transpose is equal to AB transpose minus 2BA transpose of transpose. Then it becomes AB transpose T and 2BAT transpose. Then B transpose of transpose into A transpose, B transpose of transpose into A transpose minus 2 into AT transpose B transpose. Transpose of transpose cancel ஆகி B கிடைக்கும், BA transpose minus like that 2ABT transpose. That is BA transpose minus 2ABT transpose is not equal to C. C ஆவும் இல்லை. So the negative of common எடுத்தாக்க 2AB transpose minus BA transpose. அப்போ negative minus 2ABT transpose is not equal to minus C. BA transpose minus 2ABT transpose is not equal to C or minus C. That is C is neither symmetric nor skew symmetric. Question 12. If the matrix A 5 2x y2 minus 3 4t minus 7 is a symmetric matrix. Then find the value of x, y and t respectively. A 4, 2, 3, B 4, 2, minus 3, C 4, 2, minus 7, D 2, 4, minus 7. Given A is a matrix of order 3. 5 2x y2 minus 3 4t minus 7. Given that it is a symmetric matrix, therefore A is equal to A transpose. So A transpose becomes order and rows are interchange आयी, we get 5 2x y2 minus 3 4t minus 7 is equal to 5y4 2 2 2 t x minus 3 minus 7. So equating like terms, x is equal to a13 is equal to x equal to 4. So y வந்து a21 second row la first column, second row la first column இந்த y, இதில் second row la first column 2. So y is equal to 2. t பார்க்கணும்னா third row la second column, third row la second column a32 is equal to t. Here a second row la third row la second column இந்த minus 3. Therefore t is equal to minus 3. So answer is B. Question 13. Assertion. All the diagonal elements of a skew symmetric matrix are 0. Listen. A square matrix Aij is said to be skew symmetric matrix if A transpose is equal to A. That is Aij is equal to Aij. In this case, assertion is all the diagonal elements of a skew symmetric matrix are 0. All the diagonal elements of a skew symmetric matrix are 0. That is 0 E F minus E 0 G minus F minus G 0. So, இதோட transpose எழுதினா 0 E F minus E 0 G minus F minus G 0. That is the A transpose na இது minus A transpose, minus A na இது minus A transpose. Therefore A transpose is equal to minus A nala Aij is equal to minus Ji. Here reason is false. Reason என்ன சொல்றாங்க? A square matrix A is said to be skew symmetric na if A transpose is equal to A ங்கறாங்க. A transpose is equal to minus A na தான் skew symmetric matrix. Therefore in this case assertion is true, reason is false. All the diagonal elements of a skew symmetric matrix are always 0. And in a square matrix, A is said to be skew symmetric if A transpose is equal to minus A. Question 14. Show that the matrix B dash AB is symmetric or skew symmetric according as A is symmetric or A is skew symmetric. We have to prove that B dash AB is symmetric if A is symmetric. A symmetric na B dash AB symmetric nu prove பண்ணோம். A is skew symmetric na B dash AB is a skew symmetric nu prove பண்ணோம். So symmetric na we know that A dash is equal to A. B dash AB transpose. First consider AB is equal to ஒரு single matrix P ன்னு எடுத்துப்போம். Therefore, B dash AB transpose is equal to B dash P transpose. That is P transpose B transpose of transpose. So, transpose of transpose becomes P ஆயிடும். Pங்கிற இடத்துல we substitute the value of AB போட்டேன்னா AB transpose B. Once again it becomes B transpose A transpose B. So, B transpose A transpose is equal to A. Substitution பண்ணா B transpose AB. Hence, B dash of AB transpose is equal to B dash of AB. Hence, it is a symmetric matrix. Similarly, we have to prove that taking A is a skew symmetric. A dash is equal to minus A. So, taking B dash AB transpose is equal to, here also we take AB is equal to some P. Therefore, it becomes B dash P transpose. B dash D B dash transpose of T. It becomes P item. PT is equal to substitute panna AB transpose B. That is B transpose A transpose B. Substitute the value of A transpose is equal to minus A. Therefore, it becomes minus of B transpose AB. It is skew symmetric. Hence, if B dash AB is symmetric when A is symmetric and B dash AB is skew symmetric when A is skew symmetric. Question number 15. If A transpose and A inverse is symmetric, then A square is equal to what? Here, see here, A transpose and A inverse. Answer A is A inverse, B A transpose the whole square, C வந்து A transpose, D A inverse the whole square. Solution. Here and the question would answer B. That is A square is A transpose the whole square. எப்படிங்கிறத பார்க்கலாம். Given என்ன சொல்லியிருக்காங்க? A transpose and A inverse is symmetric. Symmetricனா A dash A inverse is equal to A transpose A inverse of whole transpose. So, taking separate transpose, A inverse transpose and AT transpose. Here transpose of transpose becomes A. Then AT A inverse is equal to A inverse transpose A. Post multiply by A on both equation. We get A transpose A inverse A is equal to A inverse of transpose A already there into A பெருக்கிறோம். A into A square ஆகும். Here A inverse A is equal to I. Here unit matrix I is equal to A inverse into A. இது unit matrix ஆயிட்டது. AT inverse is equal to A inverse T A square. Unit matrix then pre-multiply by AT on both sides. இப்போ AT ஆல ஃப்ரண்ட்ல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணால் AT into AT transpose I is equal to AT into A inverse transpose into is transpose. Here AT into AT na AT square into I is equal to AT and A inverse T becomes I into A square. So, which implies A square is equal to A transpose the whole square. Answer B. 16th question. If a matrix has 8 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? A matrix has 8 elements. 8 elements இருந்துச்சுன்னா அது என்னென்ன possible orders it can have? A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4, C is equal to 2, D is equal to 8. Answer B, 4 possible. That is how. So, total 8 elements இருக்கிறாங்க. Possible of 8 என்ன? 1 into 8 பெருக்கினாலும் 8 வரும். 2 into 4, 4 into 2, 8 into 1. So, how many possibles are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer B, 4 possible orders it can have. Question 17. The number of all possible matrices of order 3 into 3 which each entry 0 or 1 is A 27, B 18, C 81, D 512. Your answer D. D is equal to 512. எப்படின்னு பார்க்கலாம். Given வந்து என்ன order of the matrices into 3 into 3. So 3 into 3 matrixனா it contains 9 elements இருக்கும். Such 9 elements stated in எத்தனை waysல possible 2, 0 and 1 இருக்குது. 2 waysல இருக்குது. Those using probability we get 2 power 9 chances. So 2 power 9 is equal to 512 words. 9 elements இருக்குது, 2 ways possible இருக்குது, 2 power 9. So possible of new entries can be chosen 512 ways. So answer D. What is the number of all possible matrices of order 2 into 3 with each entry 0, 1? A is equal to 4, B is equal to 64, C is equal to 16, D is equal to 8. Your answer B 64. எப்படி here order of the matrix is என்ன 2 into 3. அப்போ number of elements என்ன 6 elements பார்க்கலாம். இந்த 6 elements can be selected in 2 ways. either 0வாகவும் வச்சுக்கலாம் 1ஆகவும் இருக்கலாம். So number of possible outcomes is equal to 2 power 6. 2 power 6 we know that it becomes 64. So answer 64B. Question number 19. The number of all possible matrices of order 2 into 2 with each entry 1, 2 or 3. A is equal to 2 cube, B is equal to 2 power 4, C is equal to 3 power 4, D is equal to 2 power 5. Here answer is 3 power 4 81, that is C. எப்படி பார்க்கலாம் order of matrices given கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. So number of elements வந்து 2 into 2 4. We have 3 possible entries இருக்குது 1, 2 or 3. So each entry is filled with 3 numbers 1, 2 or 3. So number of possible ways to make up such matrices are number of elements filled 3 elements, 3 possible entry 4 elements இருக்குது. So 3 power 4. 3 power 4 becomes 81. Answer C. Question number 20. How many 0 entries are there in a 3 into 3 identity matrix? How many 0 entries are there in a 3 into 3 identity matrix? A is equal to 6, B is equal to 9, C is equal to 8, D is equal to 3. Solution answer A 6 zeros. See 6 0 entries are there. Given that it is a 3 into 3 identity matrix, we know that identity matrix is equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So here how many zeros? 1 2 3 4 5 6 0 elements in I3 matrix. Thanks.